Why?
I'm just gonna set up the tripod and then like no one can move it. Or I'm just gonna leave it until study hall.
Help me.
No, 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 no. Here we go again, John! Do something interesting! Do something actually funny! Do something original! No.
That's it.
No.
Sorry for attacking you personally like that, John.
You could do harder than that.
Hands. Wow. Not ever.
Well,
No,
see,
wait.
you're going to be my substitute today.
Substitute teacher?
Not exactly.
Now we can talk about this, right? Yeah?
I don't know. Can we?
It's May.
No, it's January. What?
Oh, he's not very tall. Ow! I'm a singer.
You're not.
I think I was born to be a singer.
You're literally.
Killer Strip! I don't know if I'm ready for this. Eee.
Foo Fighters spilled their milk.
Aw. Oh man.
So sad, man. She just wanted some milk. Just-
I literally my date of birth correctly. Why did it like uncheck that I was a US? It was like
I like milk.
Oh, hold on. What was it at before? Guys, it's time for the news.
Guys, stop.
You just got
I
depressed
hate
when
cameras.
the news filming.
Friendly, right?
Yeah.
Russia.
Hey, that's not allowed.
Russia is one of the countries that is suffering more of the damages of Trump. And as they highlight the damage and changes the world could go through, they have also found some positivities to that.
We're in reverse sync.
Thank you, Ava. The Russians have deduced a few things. Reductions of energy consumption and the heating of houses since the winters will be shorter and the temperatures will increase. The opening of new sea routes so the Russian ships can navigate easily. These routes will be located in the Arctic, since the Arctic is opening due to the thaw. Thanks to the thaw, Russia could have easier access to the continents of apart from the spread of new species, natural resources such as gas and CO2.
Like sports.
Oh, my arm!
So, thanks to the high temperatures, there would be faster advance in agriculture, especially in grain. And more land can be used to grow crops.
This season is your last season before you graduate.
I didn't know you were right there.
Don't do it.
Okay, so here we're kidnapping her.
Yeah.
this isn't the worst thing you said.
We are currently being trapped inside of Jared's truck.
I'm kidnapping them.